Welcome back for my final daily report market video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Friday the 10th of May. Let's have a look at gold, where gold is consolidating with a very slight positive bias. Nothing really doing in terms of a recovery at the moment, and we are now testing though this downtrend which has been in place since mid-February. I think 11 weeks on that downtrend now. Consistent run of lower highs and lower lows within that downtrend, but it's now been testing it the last few days. Not been able to break the downtrend, I might add. However, there is a very slight positive bias within this recent consolidation. But I would still suggest that this is going to be a rally that gets sold into. You've got the RSI, which has failed fairly consistently, 54, 60 area, currently around 50. I think that this is going to be a rally that gets sold into. The momentum on the on the daily stochastics is just sort of losing its way a bit as these intraday rallies get sold into, and I think that that is continuing to be the case. And the fact that we're trading, this is all playing out underneath the 1300 to 1310 long-term pivot resistance area, I think adds to this sense that the market hasn't really got going in this recovery. On the hourly chart you can see basically a range play, and actually 1278 thereabouts is a fairly reasonable pivot area to consider as support initially, but you look at the hourly momentum and it seems to be dissipating a little bit. 60 now seems to be limiting the upside, having previously gone towards 70 and above. And the MACD lines are actually showing a very slight negative bias on that recent 1291 high. So, and the fact that MACD lines are barely getting above neutral again suggests this is very much turning into a range play that's unlikely to break out to the upside. Even if it did, I still think the 1300 to 1310 area is key resistance that would be withholding any real recovery attempt. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again next week.